Does your kitchen feel like a cramped corner? Well, today I'm going to show you the best kitchen design hacks that top designers use to make the smallest kitchens look bigger, feel bigger, and function better without any major renovations. Plus, make sure you stay all the way until the end because I'll also reveal the 3 biggest kitchen mistakes that can make your kitchen look and feel smaller and more claustrophobic. So let's get cooking with something simple but incredibly effective: color choices and reflective surfaces.
Believe it or not, the colors you choose can either open up your space or make it feel like it's closing in on you. That's why light colors are your best friends in a small kitchen. They reflect more light and they make the space just feel bright and airy. But here's an extra tip. You can also use reflective surfaces to enhance this effect even more. Nate Berkus, he's a well-known interior designer. He always says light, bright, and reflective surfaces are your best friends in a small kitchen. He's totally spot on. I totally agree with that. One great way to do this is by choosing a glossy backsplash or even glossy cabinet finishes. These surfaces bounce light around the room and it makes your kitchen feel more expansive. Imagine installing a high gloss subway tile backsplash in white or a soft pastel. Every time light hits those tiles, it reflects back into the room, which adds more depth and brightness. Now let's talk about storage solutions, because in a small kitchen, every inch counts. One fantastic way to maximize your storage is by using pullouts and organizers. Pull-out shelves and drawers and base cabinets or pantry pullouts can make a world of difference. They let you see everything at a glance and make it super easy to access even the items stored way in the back. Emily Henderson, who is all about practicality, suggests pullouts can make a deep cabinet feel much more accessible and prevent items from getting lost in the depths. You'll be amazed at how much space you save and how much more organized your kitchen feels with just a few of these additions. But don't stop there. Let's also talk about utilizing vertical space. Extending cabinets all the way up to the ceiling is a great way to maximize storage without eating up floor space. And for those higher cabinets that are super hard to reach, consider installing pull-down shelves. These are perfect for storing items that you don't use every day, maybe display trays or cake plates, and they bring everything down to your level right when you need it. And coming up later, I'm going to share the 3 mistakes that could be shrinking your kitchen without you even knowing it. But first, let's talk about a key element that can dramatically change the look and feel of your small kitchen: cabinet design. Now, the type of cabinets you choose can make a huge difference in how spacious your kitchen feels and how easily you can access everything that you need on a day-to-day basis. First, consider incorporating shallow cabinets in areas where full-depth cabinets might not fit. These are perfect for narrow spaces or walls where you still want some storage space without sacrificing walkway space. Shallow cabinets are particularly useful in tight spots like a narrow pantry or alongside kitchen island where space is at a premium. They provide easy access to items because everything is within arm's reach and does not get lost in the depths of a deep cabinet where you can't reach back there. Imagine a wall lined with shallow base cabinets that are only about half the depth of standard ones. You get extra storage without feeling like the cabinets are crowding your space. They can also be floor to ceiling to maximize storage vertically without taking up much floor space. This makes them ideal for those tricky spots in small kitchens where every inch counts. Another great cabinet choice is to incorporate glass doors. Glass front cabinets can give the illusion of depth and make your kitchen feel larger. They also allow you to showcase your favorite dishware or decorative pieces, turning storage into a design feature. Victoria Hagen, known for her elegant, airy designs, suggests using glass in kitchen and cabinetry gives the illusion of depth, making the room appear bigger. Even if you don't want everything on display, just a few glass doors can break up the heaviness of solid cabinets and add a more open, spacious feel to your kitchen. By choosing the right cabinets, like shallow options for tight spaces and glass doors for added depth, you can make your small kitchen feel much more functional and spacious.
What is this? Oh, this is my kitchen remodel budgeting worksheet. And I actually have used this on past projects, and I'm using it on my current project, which I'm going to be remodeling my own kitchen soon, and I'll take you guys along with me. So make sure you hit subscribe. But this is a freebie that I'm giving away. If you are planning your own kitchen remodel, you could download one of these, and it has pretty much everything that you might be spending money on for a kitchen remodel. It's all itemized, and it'll help you plan and budget for your project. It's going to save you a bunch of time. So download that today at pennymodern.com/freebies.
Lighting can make or break a small kitchen. Good lighting isn't just about seeing what you're chopping with a few recessed lights here and there. It's about creating an inviting atmosphere that makes your kitchen feel bigger and more welcoming. And there's a little trick to it: layered lighting. Jonathan Adler, known for his bold and playful style, advises, a well-lit kitchen feels larger and more inviting. Consider under-cabinet lighting and strategically placed pendants. Picture this: under-cabinet lights to brighten your workspace, pendant lights over the island to set the mood, and maybe even some LED strips along the shelves to highlight your decor. Together, these elements can make your kitchen feel twice its size. Now let's move on to backsplashes, one of the most overlooked elements in all of kitchen design. Did you know that the wrong backsplash can actually make your kitchen look smaller? That's right, busy patterns can create visual clutter, which makes a small space feel even tighter. Instead, opt for a backsplash that complements your cabinets and countertops with light, neutral tones or a subtle pattern. Kelly Wearstler, known for her elegant and harmonious designs, suggests a backsplash should complement your kitchen's palette, not compete with it. In a small space, subtle, cohesive designs can make all the difference in creating a sense of continuity and openness. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The 3 things you should absolutely not do in a small kitchen if you want it to feel spacious. But first, make sure you download our kitchen budget worksheet and hit the subscribe button to learn how to decorate your home like a pro. Now, the first thing is to avoid dark and overbearing colors. Dark colors might seem very chic and moody, but in a small kitchen, they can make the space feel like a cave. Stick with lighter shades to keep things bright and open. Kelly Wearstler says dark colors can be dramatic, but in small spaces, they can overwhelm and diminish the sense of openness. The second one is don't overload with upper cabinets. Too many upper cabinets can make your kitchen feel top heavy, and it also can make it feel cramped. If you mix in open shelving to give your space a more airy feel, it'll be much better. Joanna Gaines agrees. The right balance of storage and open space can make even the smallest kitchen feel inviting. So remember, less is more when it comes to those upper cabinets. Avoid bulky furniture and appliances is the third tip. Oversized items can dominate a small kitchen, making it feel cluttered and tight. Opt for compact, multifunctional pieces instead. Emily Henderson puts it perfectly. In a small kitchen, every piece of furniture and every appliance must earn its place and function effectively without overwhelming the space.
So now you have almost everything covered to help you design your dream kitchen, but you want it to look luxurious and high-end, right? And I bet you don't have millions of dollars to spend. Well, if you watch this video next, you will learn how to get a luxury look in your kitchen without breaking the bank. Click here and let's continue designing your dream kitchen.